Hi friends, welcome to my channel PKR Tidbits. Today we are going to see data interpretation on table and pie chart. Here they have given study the pie chart and table carefully to answer the questions that follows. So this is a pie chart showing percentage distribution wise of cars in 4 different states. So these are distribution of cars in 4 different states and their respective percentages are given and the total number of cars is 700. And here in this table they have given ratios between the diesel and petrol cars. Now coming to first question, what was the difference between the number of diesel engine cars in state 2 and the number of petrol engine cars in state 4? Diesel engine cars in state 2, it is 5:9, which is 5 by 14 into, in state 2 it is 28%, so 28% of 700, which you can write it as 28 into 7. Now it goes for 7 2s and 2 14s, which comes out to be 70. For state 4, you have to find this for the petrol engine cars. In state 4 it is 1:1, and so it gets to 1 by 2 into 26% of 700, which is 26 into 7. Now this goes for 13, and this comes out to be 7 3 is 21 to 91. Now the difference is 21, so option 2 is our answer. Coming to next second question, number of petrol engine cars in state 3 is what percent more than the number of diesel engine cars in state 1? In state 3, it is the ratio is 5:3. We have to take for petrol engine cars, which comes out to be 3 by 8 into, in state 3 it is 32%, so 32% of 700, which I will write it as 32 into 7, minus, in state 1 it is 3:4. We want for engine cars, so it is 3 by 7 into 14 into 7 divided by 3 by 7 into 14 into 7 into hundreds, since it is percentage. Sorry, this goes out for 7 7 7 7 and 8 fours. Now here we can remove 3's in all the cases. This comes out to be 14 minus 14 by 14. Sorry, 28 minus 14 by 14, which comes out to be 14 divided by 14 into 100, which is 100%. So option 1 is our answer. Next question, if 25% of diesel engine cars, in state 3 are AC and remaining cars are non-AC, what is the number of diesel engine cars in state 3 which are non-AC? So 25 are AC, so it comes out to be 75% of each are non-AC, so we can write it as 3 by 4 into diesel engines in state 3, so diesel is 5:3, which is 5 by 8 into, in state 3 it is 32% of 700, so it is 32 into 7. This goes, so 8 fours, it will directly takes this, and it is 15 into 7, 105. So our option is 4. Next question, what is the difference between the total number of cars in state 3 and the number of petrol engine cars in state 2? Total number of cars in state 3. Total number of cars in state 3 is 32% of 700, which is 32 into 7, minus petrol engine cars in state 2. State 2 it is 5:9. This comes out to be 9 by 14 into 28% of 700, so it is 28 into 7. So 7 2s, 7 14s. Now this is 7 2s 14, 21 22 minus 9 4 is 36, 3, 9, 12. Now subtracting this, we get 14 minus 6, 8. So only one option is 8 as in its place. So option 5 is our answer. Next question, what is the average number of petrol engine cars in states together? So all the petrol engine cars we have to consider here. For state 1, first for state 1, 4 by 7 into 14% of 700. So which in all the cases into 7 will be a common term, so I will write it at last. Now for plus 9 by 14 into 28 plus 3 by 8 into 32 plus 1 by 2 into 26 whole multiplied by 7. So since it is average, we have to divide it by 4. Now this goes for 7 twos, 2 times, 4 times, and this is for 13 times. This comes out to be 8, 18, 26, 12 plus 26 is 38, 38 plus 4 plus 13, which is 51 into 7 by 4. This goes for 4 ones, for 2's, dot 7 times and 5 times. Now this comes out to be 5, 2, 9, 8. So 89.25 is our answer, which is option 2. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel PKR Tidbits. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/PKR Tidbits. Have a nice day.